Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into unanimity. 7 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Solidarity, which means unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest. Solidarity. For example, factory workers voiced solidarity with the striking students. Number 2. Accord, which means agreement or harmony. Accord. For example, the government and the rebels are in accord on one point. Number 3. Concord, which means agreement or harmony between people or groups. Concord. For example, disputatious council meetings which occasionally ended in concord. Number 4. Consensus, which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, there is a growing consensus that the current regime has failed. Number 5. Congruence, which means agreement or harmony. Congruence. For example, he took care that there should be congruence of meaning and sound in his music. Number 6. Unity, which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, the repeated phrase gives the piece unity and cohesion. Number 7. Union, which means a state of harmony or agreement. Union. For example, they live in perfect union. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.